Before I get into my ideas for the monument, to download and use my world you need to use the Feed the Beast mod client, which is an easy download. When downloading the client, it should show you where to put certain things. The Direwolf 20 mod pack is the one you need to download once you get the client. It contains a lot of mods, and I will show you the minimum mods you will need to have all of the parts of my work. You will make sure the mods and the server are downloaded, and then you can download my world at this link, which is provided as well. This video will be kind of a sneak peek into the Minecraft world I've created without ruining the ending. Unfortunately, I did build it with mods, so to get the full experience you have to watch the early part of my video to download the specific mods. As for the ideas we learned in class, there were a few ways I made sure to introduce the types of rhetoric required. First, there is a slight remediation used throughout the entire building. I used famous quotes and applied them to the ideas inside my monument, maybe not using them in ways they were initially thought. Second, the digital space I created was a big part of all the rhetoric I included in my monument. Without digital space, the point and the structure behind my ideas would have been moot. The spaces and lighting used in many of the different rooms I have are intended to give a different feel based on where you are at inside the path. My favorite being one of the first ones I built, the giant quartz building. I used a quote by David Allan Cole, play with the idea that no matter how intricate the building is or how big it may appear when you approach it, the inside space is actually much smaller. I kept the top of the building open so when you do choose to look at the final product you can see the difference. I also used some portals to create spaces further away from the monument to give ideas and direction in a specific room. Finally, I used the procedural rhetoric as the initial idea. I used redstone and some switches to introduce some ideas about self-evaluation. The questions you are asked are something to really think about, and it provides an interesting experience if the world is played while others are watching. This monument was a blast to create, and I hope that my ideas are both evident and that they resonate with anyone who experiences my world. Enjoy.